welcome to another edition of Python for You. This morning I wanted to take a look at lists and tuples in Python. We haven't really talked about tuples before, so they're going to look a little similar at first. Let me explain the difference. Here I'm creating a tuple, and notice I don't put the square braces around, so I just put 1, 2, 3. It'll create what's called a tuple. If I create a list, I use the square braces. Now, they're going to look similar until you realize one very important thing. Tuples are immutable, so you're going to see that as I try to do this, I create a list and then I say a list sub 0, put in 0, and that'll work fine. It's when I try to replace the tuple index 0 with something else, it's going to give me an exception. And the reason for that is, again, tuples are immutable, lists are mutable. So you can take any list you want and throw anything you want in it and then remove it, add it, do whatever you want to each individual piece. Tuples, you can't do that. So let's run it and I'll show you what that means. So let's run this, and you'll see that we printed out the list with the new 0 in the first slot, and then we got a track back. And the reason is the tuple object does not support item assignment. So you cannot change that index element. Once you put it in, that tuple is immutable. So that's pretty much the main difference between these two, at least at that level. I'll go through some more things in a future screencast. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Python.